is my sword.
Oh, wow.
This katana is made by
What is difficult skill
yeah,
in this
is
stage?
yeah, maybe this
Ah, how about this? More easy
bit
More
than this?
more easy.
Okay, let's go. Let's go this.
Anyone okay?
Anyone? Wow.
Anyone.
I will challenge you discussion. Discussion's way is first, let's go first, and right?
Yes, correct.
I success! Wow! Success!
Perfect.
Are you ready? Let's go. Very good. How about his tameshigiri? How about this?
Just good. Just good.
Yeah,
Six cutting.
the basic one.
Basic one.
What is the name?
Lokutankiri.
Nokutankiri?
Lokutankiri is the basic.
Yeah.
Yeah. So everyone when they want to do the better, more better, or the basic, also is the Lokutankiri.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Very good.
I confused.
I'm the pressure because he saw. So the second one is fail. The second is fail.
Yeah, six cut. Basic skill?
Basic skill.
Oh, advanced,
Basic.
not advanced.
Yeah. It's basic.
Yeah.
It's
Same short.
because, yes.
You can see the difference.
Yeah.
It's one cut.
Oh, one
It's
cut.
one cut.
Yeah. Wow, good.
Actually, my first cut is a little bit mistaken. Too large. Yeah, it's too big. Yeah.
Yeah.
It's perfect. You
Yeah.
can see the angle is 45 and you can see it's 3
When I practice tameshigiri, actually my style is move and move. Yeah. Because stand alone, they are not move. So I always move. Without standing, just move, and practice variety stance. sitting, stand, and jumping. Yeah, I practice variety movements.
Very good demonstration. Yeah, for me it's quite difficult because I don't have doing cutting like this, but you can do it very smooth. That's really good. Yeah.
Good. Because we don't have the movement like jumping. Yeah, it's new experience for us. Yeah. Also, your movement is smooth and we can see your stand is stable. Yeah.
Can you do the same?
I can't jump. I have the experience for cutting like this, but jump is never do this. So it's a big challenge.
Yeah. Yeah, you win to my challenge. You have so many cuts. 13, 11. Yeah, so I prepare some present. Yeah, this is BladeMan B for you.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Okay.
Yeah, and I have
Yeah.
also gift.
What is this?
It's 5 words. It means and B come from Korea. It's a very good song. And thank you.
Yeah, thank you. Why you love cancer?
Because I just like it. No reason.
No.
Yeah, just because of love. Yeah, no
Yeah,
reason.
same
I just like it when I see it. Okay.
The first of all is love. Yeah, I love the thing. I think I have much experience from the teacher. Yeah, the experiments can be shared to us. So it's very important.
Some men from Korea come to Hong Kong, visit our dojo. It's nice. It's nice, and I hope that he can come more. Yeah.
Thank you for my subscribers. Next time, see you next time. Bye bye.
Bye bye.